Hey, gorgeous. Hey, how are you? Ooh. Put something for you if you want. He's so pretty. Do you want something? What you guys can't see is that there's currently a chicken pecking my feet. Hey, gorgeous. He's so pretty. And the chicken's just going to town on my shoes. Hey, Chook. What's up? Yeah, it's okay, buddy. He's so pretty. Alright, you. Hey, gorgeous. Alright, I'll give you one more, a little bit. Maybe one more, and then we'll say goodbye. Alright, you. Hello, miss. Oh, you get some too. Having fun picking my shoes? Alright. Over here. Alright, you.